Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm putting on a wig, guys. So I have not worn a wig in a little while, but I do like them, and I like the color of my what did I have, those kinky twists, the little golden mocha brown hair color that I had. So I ended up getting a wig in that exact color, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this is how the wig looks. So the thing with me is I don't like to have like one style for too long, which is why I keep like my protective styles up for 1 month. So I need a hairstyle, like a hair wig that I can take off at the end of the day. So here she go, and the thing about that is I was watching all the YouTube videos on the lace fronts, and they were like gluing it down to their heads, and it was just a lot of work, guys. So I'm gonna try to, just try to make it so that I can take this wig and put it on and off at the end of the day. So I got a wig grip instead of hair glue or whatever. But this hair is so nice, and it's just super cute. I might end up cutting it soon just because it's like really long for my taste, but it is super duper cute. So let's get this on the go. So I'm going to cut this little piece off here. Okay, so first I need to get that down. Okay, so first I need to get my hair ready to be put under a wig in the first place. So my crazy hair. So first of all, I am going to moisturize my hair. I always moisturize my hair, guys. Someone told me that your hair is like a garden, and you know, what do you do with your garden? You water it. And so ever since then, I have just been keeping my hair moisturized. And so I'm putting my little pink moisture stuff in here, and y'all know my little spray bottle of water that I like to put on the roof. Okay, so get that moisture going. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, like, this is just super whatever, because like I said, I'm gonna have on a wig. Where's my hair? And I'm just gonna plait this at the back, split it in 2 sections, and plait it at the back. My hair is actually pretty flat from those kinky twists. Also, guys, what's been really helping soften and just make my hair so much more manageable, not only is keeping it moisturized, but that rice water, y'all, like, that has been working wonders for my hair. It has been so incredibly soft. So I'm not gonna do anything like really crazy here. I'm just doing this little up here, not even all the way down because it's gonna be in a thing. And I just do the same side over here. Y'all see these muscles? Oh, shoot. Yes, that's me. Even though my arms hurt. Okay. So, like, this is just super quick, easy, something that I'll just do. Okay. Nope. So I'm gonna take these bobby pins, and I'm gonna take this side and pull it up over here, and then put it up top and pin it down below. And then I'm gonna take this side to here. Did that bobby pin fall out? It did. And then I'm gonna bobby pin it up. Bobby pin it this way. And maybe my bobby pin wants to work today. Okay. And so here's how the back looks. Put on my wig cap. It looks pretty big, but I'm hoping that it's not as big as it looks. Okay, so this is like a wig cap with a grip on it, supposedly. Okay. And what I do have, because this just feels like it's gonna just do whatever it does, I have this wig grip-ish thing. It's not a wig grip, but it's a wig grip-ish type of thing. Extra security. And then I'm just gonna take my edges, because I don't know if you guys can see, but like, yeah. So I'm gonna try to push those up. And I've got a little of this. Got to be glued, guys. My edges just don't ever stay up. Like 5 minutes later, they're always, don't matter what I do to these things, always down. So I am trying this got to be glued and seeing if this helps. Okay, so this is, let me put this in here. So what I have is a partial lace. It doesn't go all the way around, but it does have clips in it, which is why I have this little bit of my hair out. So we'll see. I want to put it from the back to the front. Okay, so you see how it is like around the ears or whatever, and around here. So pretty much anything I do is just gonna pull it down a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my scissors and then cut like these flaps and around the ear there. Okay, so this hair already has like a few of the like baby hair type things on it, so I'm gonna try to do a little bit under there. I do have some clips, but I don't have them with me, so I'm gonna take that and then boom, so that I can cut around and really nice and slow. You don't want to cut too much, because you can always go back and cut more. This lace is actually like, it's not like one of those laces where you can't see it. It's like really noticeable. So I need to get it like as close to this hairline as possible. Now I'm gonna take the wig off and then I'm gonna cut more of it and put it back on. Okay, so I'm working on some like edges. I don't like to call them baby hairs, but so these are half my actual edges, and then half the edges from this wig. So doing the edges was not even, I'm hurting myself. Y'all help me help you, girl. So it was not part of the plan, truly. Oh well. But okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. So okay, so my camera died for a little bit, but yeah, just for like a little day out, yo, this is a yes. This is a yes for me. I love this wig. So I don't have any glue on my hair, but I do think that I will probably put a little bit of maybe got to be glued under the front part of this wig, just because it looks like it could possibly lift up throughout the day. But no, yes, y'all, is this color just not the cutest? I'm in love with this color. Like, I am in love. Okay, okay, yes, everything. Oh, my bad. Okay guys, so if you like this video and you like this hair, leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. The next video I will probably be doing my I don't even know what the next video is going to be, so I'm not even gonna lie, but stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you guys later. Okay. Also, guys, tell me what do you guys think about these glasses? These are new, and I still don't know how I feel about them. They're a little out of my shape range. I usually like the square or rectangular shaped glasses, but I said, you know what? Let me go for something different this time. These are all right. We'll see. Bye.